quick. Morning, boys. Headed to a super secret location right now my brother's taking me to. I'm not going to tell you what we're after, but if you're watching this right now, that means it's a success. So, got a little swim bait tied up. I cannot cast with this. Ooh. Got one.
There you go, buddy. There you fucking go.
First ever native brookie.
Let's come down, get into the water. Little guy, but man. Native brook, buddy. Look at that.
My first native brook.
Dude, just look at the fucking spots. Look at his fins. Easy on the language. Hold on. Hell yeah, buddy. That's,
Oh, swim bait.
that's nice. That's not the one I usually get either. That's a different one.
Look at that. Native brook. Oh, little swim bait.
Hell yeah.
I didn't even... there he is. Look at that. And that little swim bait on a jig head.
Stop. Oh, man. That's one of the smaller ones in here, too. It's not bad, though, for a native brook.
Yes.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Thanks, brother.
Nice.
You put me on.
Nice.
My big brother put me on to the secret spot.
Now I'm happy you got one.
Yes.
Now I can start fishing.
All right. Now you're going to catch them all. I know it. Hey, man, this little swim bait worked.
Yeah. Yeah, it did.
What do you got?
Pickerel, he was out of the water. He's still alive.
Get out of
I'm
here.
gonna let him go. He's probably about to die.
Dude, that's
He was in the mud.
a tiger muskie, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, he was in the mud right there. I thought it was dead.
Look at that little muskie. I told you we'd catch a muskie today.
We did. Hey, I caught it.
Nice,
With no
Devin.
rod.
Where was he?
I'll show you. Dude, he literally just looked dead right there in the mud.
That's